Hi, in front of me is CAVION Base 5.0 and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. First of all, go into menu and locate recorder, then click on it. Now you need to tap on this left button over here, click allow, and as you can see my recording is now turned on. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the same left button. And if you want to end it and save it, just click on the square right one. Then choose save over here and click on the same right button. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wish to delete it, all you need to do is hold it, click on the bin icon over here and tap OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!